Hi, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing how to make ganache. Today you will need 200 ml of double cream, 800 grams of white or milk chocolate, 2 bowls, a spoon, a microwave. Now chop up 800 grams of chocolate into a large bowl, then put 200 ml of double cream into the other bowl. Once you have chopped 800 grams of chocolate into a bowl, pop the cream into the microwave until you see it bubbling. Then pour on the chocolate and stir until the mixture is combined. When most of the mixture is combined, there may be a few bits of chocolate left into lumps, so pop it in the microwave and count to 10, then bring it out and stir it again. Continue this process until it's nice and smooth and the lumps have gone. After taking the chocolate out the microwave and stirring it, don't worry if you see the oil lying on top of the chocolate. Just pop it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and take it out, and then stir it until it becomes combined. If this isn't happening, put it in the fridge again for another 10 to 15 minutes and then take it out, stir it again. Continue this process until you can scrape it along on your palette knife, the chocolate, and it doesn't come off your palette knife. This is what the finished ganache looks like by using a knife. Thanks for watching my tutorials. Hit subscribe if you want to be the first to see future tutorials.